Hello everybody, and welcome to our second episode of 1-800-ANSWERS. Today here we have a custom PC, and it's been a really good friend. You wouldn't be able to tell by the looks of it, but I've been over the years just upgrading and keeping it maintained, and so it looks like an old PC, but it's actually not, okay? So the problem I'm having is that every time I boot up, this power supply right here, keeps making this noise. And it's driving me crazy. So today I'm going to try to figure out, with your help out there, if y'all can help me figure out what's wrong with my computer and possibly try to fix it. Alright, so we're going to boot on and zoom into the power supply. Be moving over here now to try to get as close as we can to it. I'm gonna try to shine a light right down in there. Okay, that might be good. That might be good. You can hear it. Well, even if you can't see that good in there, you can still hear it, and that's what I'm trying to capitalize on, that noise. And it stays like that the whole time period while I'm using the computer. You can tell that these fans here are all good, cooling fans. Another one over here, because you could actually see it physically stuttering at first. And try to zoom up in there a little bit. That's pretty much all of the action that we got there. Alright, so if you could just help me out with that, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.